Hello, everybody. If you want to use confidential mode on your Gmail on your Android, in this video, we are going to guide you through the process for that. So let's just dive right in and get started. You may start by opening up your Gmail application. So open up your Gmail and you can compose a new email. For that, look out for the compose option directly and tap on it. And you may start composing an email. So you can just go over and do so. And once you compose your email, in the top right corner, you can find three vertical dots. You can tap on it to access a menu, and you should be finding option called confidential mode. So select that option from the menu that appears, and once you do so, you can turn the mode on and set an expiration date. We have from 1 day to even 5 years for the emails and attachments. You can select it up, and once that is done, you may choose a passcode type. We have a standard. You can tap on it and you can select up the option of standard, which is Gmail users open directly, non-Gmail users get an email passcode. After that, we have SMS passcode, which is something you requires to enter the recipient's phone number. You can send them through a text message passcode. And once that is done, you can tap on the save option at the top to apply up the changes. And once it is done, you can just go over and finish writing your email and tap on the send icon at the top. And that is how the Gmail is used in a confidential mode. So that is it, everybody. It is pretty easy. You may just follow up these steps for that. So we hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.